Life is full of storms, challenges, and noise. If you want to rise above the chaos, you need an attitude that soars higher than the ordinary. Imagine the hawk, fierce, focused, and unshaken by the winds. It doesn't flutter in panic when storms arrive, it uses the very wind to rise higher. Today, let's talk about how to make your attitude in life like a hawk, sharp, fearless, and unstoppable. Number 1. Learn to always walk alone. A hawk doesn't move in flocks, it hunts, survives, and thrives alone. Sometimes, greatness demands solitude. There will be moments when nobody understands your dream, when support is scarce, and the path feels empty. That's when you learn to rely on your own strength. Silence teaches you discipline, solitude builds character. Don't fear walking alone, embrace it as a season to grow. Number 2. Focus only on your goal. Hawks have razor-sharp vision, they can lock onto a target from miles away. In life, distractions are everywhere, opinions, trends, noise. If you want to reach your destination, you must sharpen your focus. Cut out the unnecessary, say no to things that don't serve your purpose, and keep your eyes fixed on your goal. Your vision determines your victory. Number 3. Don't be afraid in difficult times. The hawk doesn't hide from storms, it glides higher on the winds of challenge. Tough seasons aren't here to break you, they're here to elevate you. Fear will whisper that you're not strong enough, but courage will tell you this is your moment to grow. Trust your resilience. Every challenge you face is shaping the warrior within you. Number 4. Get out of the comfort zone as soon as possible. Comfort feels safe, but it keeps your wings clipped. The hawk cannot stay in the nest forever. To grow, you must fly into uncertainty, stretch your limits, and embrace discomfort. Every leap into the unknown teaches you something new, skills, wisdom, confidence. Greatness lives outside your comfort zone, waiting for those who dare. Like the hawk, rise above. Be bold. Be focused. Be fearless. Build an attitude that cannot be shaken by storms or opinions. If this message inspired you, tap the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more powerful life lessons. Together, let's keep soaring higher.